In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish your very own website using Canva. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or someone looking to share your passion with the world, crafting an online presence is a fantastic step to take. So let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward process together. First, you'll need to open Canva. If you're new to Canva, it's an incredibly intuitive design platform that provides an array of tools to help you create visually appealing content. Once you've logged into Canva, you'll find yourself at your dashboard. From this central hub, you can start new projects or continue working on existing ones. For today's purpose, we'll focus on designing a website, so feel free to explore the website templates available, or you can start from scratch if you prefer a more customized approach. With your Canva account ready, it's time to prepare your website layout. Think carefully about what you wish to include on your site. Consider your objectives, whether it might be showcasing products, providing contact information, or maybe setting up a portfolio. Use Canva's drag and drop interface to easily arrange text, images, and other design elements. Keep your site simple yet engaging, ensuring your message comes across clearly to any potential viewers. Once you're satisfied with your design, the next step is to bring it online. Look for the option that says Public Website. By selecting this, you're heading towards making your design viewable to the public. This option enables you to transform your Canva-created design into a fully functional web page. Now, one important detail to note is the domain name. When you publish your website on Canva, the platform automatically generates a URL based on the title you've given your project. This becomes your domain, so make sure it reflects accurately what your website represents. It's a small detail, but a crucial one, as it will be how people find and remember your site online. Ready to share your creation with the world, it's time to hit Publish. As you wait for Canva to make your site live, take a moment to reflect on what you've accomplished. In a matter of minutes, you have transformed your vision into a ready-to-see online presence. Canva will then display the newly created website